Tesla has done it again. After years of rumors and speculation, the Tesla Model 2 is finally here, and it's shaping up to completely change the electric car industry. Priced to be Tesla's most affordable vehicle yet, this compact EV is packed with revolutionary features that could make gas cars a thing of the past. So what exactly is the Tesla Model 2? Elon Musk has described it as a next-generation compact EV, smaller than the Model 3, but built on Tesla's all-new Gen 3 platform. That means faster production, lower costs, and yes, a starting price rumored to be around $25,000. Design-wise, the Model 2 takes a sleek, futuristic approach. Think of it as a fusion of the Model 3 and a sporty hatchback. It's aimed squarely at urban drivers, with compact dimensions perfect for city life. Under the hood, expect a single or dual motor configuration, delivering up to 300 miles of range on a single charge. And thanks to Tesla's new battery architecture, the Model 2 could charge from 10% to 80% in under 20 minutes. Yep, that's faster than most gas station stops. Full self-driving, next-gen, powered by Tesla's latest AI chip. Minimalist interior, a single touchscreen and almost no buttons. No steering wheel? Some leaks suggest a fully autonomous variant. Next-gen battery tech. New 4680 cells for longer range and lower cost. Software-centric design. Over-the-air updates that literally improve your car overnight. The Tesla Model 2 will be built using Tesla's unboxed manufacturing system, meaning entire sections of the car are built separately and assembled like Lego blocks. This cuts costs, reduces waste, and makes mass production faster than ever. According to reports, production is expected to start in late 2025, with deliveries beginning soon after. And yes, Tesla plans to roll this out globally, including markets like Europe, China, and possibly India. If Tesla actually pulls this off, the Model 2 won't just compete with gas cars. It could end them. Affordable, smart, and sustainable. That's the future of electric mobility. So what do you think? Would you buy the Tesla Model 2 for $25,000? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this deep dive. Subscribe for more EV updates, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay charged.